Hi everyone, we will learn about the pod network loss experiment where we will inject the pod network loss on online boutique application, which is a e-commerce website and a microservice based application, which have multiple microservices as we can see here. So we will inject the network loss to the cart service, which is a backend service and exposing the APIs, and front end application is calling the cart service API internally whenever we are adding any item to the cart. So there is a dependency of the card service on the front end application. So we can understand the different tunables present for the pod network loss fault. So here in the target application, we can provide the application details. So our application namespace is Boutique and kind is deployment, and we have provided the app labels. In the tune fall section, uh, we have provided the target packet loss percentage as 100. So it will drop all the packets for that application for the specific duration. In our case, the duration is 30 seconds. As we have one replica, so we are not providing the pod effective percentage right now. And we have an option to target a specific destination IP host as port. If we will provide this value as empty, it will target all the destination IP and host. So I'm providing these values empty for now. We have a two resiliency probe. First one is the system probe, which is checking the application health status after the chaos is injected. And we have a app health check, which is a STD probe and checking the health status of the front end application continuously throughout the chaos. And it expect the status to be 200. So we can run this probe. Sorry, we can run this fault. So while the experiment is running, we can try to load this website. So there is a no network loss or latency in this website. And we have a Grafana dashboard as well, where we are monitoring the different metrics. So we have a probe success percentage, which is like front end application have a liveness probe. So it is checking the liveness of the application. So which is 100% right now. And we have a QPS query per seconds, and we have a access duration as well for front end and other microservices. So which will tell us how much time it is taking while we are accessing the service. So it is exported by those values. So I see the metrics are dropping. So I think the chaos has already started. So we can try to load this website. It is taking some time as the front end service internally calling the cart service APIs, and cart service is down right now because of the network loss. So it should that API should fail internally. Yeah, we can see we are getting a 500 status code because of that. The cart service is not available because of the network loss. And here also we can see the probe success percentage is dropping as because of the network loss. Those API are not available. And the access duration for the front end service and the card service are also increasing as there is a network loss in the card service, and like internally it is affecting the front end service as well as there is a dependency. Yeah, for the other let's say for the catalog and checkout service, so we are not seeing any much deviation. We can wait until the chaos is over. So yeah, so the probe is already completed. So we can see the system probes are passed as application was healthy after the chaos injection, as chaos was reverted successfully. And the app health check is failing when we are checking the health status of the front end, we saw that we are getting a 500 status code. And here we can see we are expecting the status code to be 200, and we were getting a 500 status code. uh, and here we can see the client timeout is also there, as because of the network loss that the probe is timed out. And out of two probe, only one probe is passed and one is failed. So we are getting a 50% resiliency score. In the Grafana as well, we can see the metrics is, this probe success percentage is increased to the again 100%. So it come to a normal after the chaos injection. And also the access duration for the card service and front-end services also dropped to a normal value as the chaos is already reverted after the chaos is over.